here, there are two types of snakes. Venomous and non-venomous snakes. Okay? This kind of snakes, may the sound of music. Can you hear me? This kind of snakes are okay, but still, they bite. Okay? Depende sa mood nila. Yung mga snakes ko, maliit pa sila, nanggaling sa ako na nag-aalaga. Kaya, tingin sila sa akin. Okay? But still, ha? Nagkataon, may snake sa backyard, don't ever, kahit maliit color, don't ever attempt to touch those snakes. There are different kinds of snakes. Actually, I have another one right here, and it's still very, very young. Okay? This is a ball python. It's only 3 months old. Okay? But it will grow as big as this snake. Okay? Normally, you will see him like this. Okay? Bakit sila kaya ball? Ginagawa nila yan because they are scared. Okay? Normally, snakes are scared of people. Akala lang natin matapang sila. Okay? Takot sila sa tao. Okay, this time, I'm going to let you touch my snake. But, don't ever touch the head and touch her gently. Okay? Huwag nyo mahawakan ang ulo. Only ang katawan. Huwag kayong matakot. Hindi kayo aanuhin kasi hawak ko. Okay? You can touch her. Para at least na-experience nyo. Diba? Kasi hindi araw-araw makakahawa ka ng snake. Come on, sige, it's okay. Wait, naisip ko lang. Ha? O sige, pwede kahit 10. Sabi mo, gusto niya isang pa. Come on, Ambi. Don't be scared, it's okay. Just one finger, just one finger. Mami, pakita mami. Ganun lang. Oh, let's see kung scared siya. Come on, you can touch it. Come on. Okay. Mr. Assistant, microphone. Sige. Sino ang pinakamatapang person? Are you brave enough to have a picture with my snake? Okay. Ika dito. Clap hands for Harrison. Clap hands for Harrison. Right here, Harrison. Okay, face our audience. Huwag kang matatakot, ha? Okay. Okay lang, hahawakan ko naman eh. Okay, harap ka lang sa camera. Huwag ka lang, huwag kang gagalaw. Okay, ito lang, ha? Okay, huwag kang hawakan. Ako na lang. Ako lang hawak. Picture lang ikaw. Okay, ready? Smile. Sige. Diba? Sige. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you na. Okay. Tagalin ko pala. Okay, clap hands everybody for my pet snake, Victoria. Ano na? Saan? Dito. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. You know what? Friends, earlier, yeah, sorry actually, I don't have a yaya right now. That's why I brought my baby. Okay, I brought my baby. And it's still very, very... Hello, baby! Oh, you say hi to them? Why? Are you sad? Are you sad? Why? Your yaya, wala, iniwan ko na. Yes, iniwan. Relax ka na. Huwag kami iyak. Ayan, harap kayo dito. Baka may yaya dito. Baka meron sila. Gusto mong yaya? Oo. Yaya. Ha? Anong wiwi? Sensya na, ha? Don't worry, just water. Anyway, did you enjoy the show? Okay, we're not done. We're not done. Okay? We still have a special guest. His name is Oli the Pogi. He's been with me for a while. And he came from the States. And he's one of the most expensive prize, the puppet.